Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Missed exit? No problem. I bought a Mercedes off-road vehicle.
With no point of reference, you spoke to the dark and fleshed out the wonder of life.
Bruh. What? Are you kidding? What? What? Bruh. Bruh.
Cross-traffic idiot ran a savage red light. I was just vibing when suddenly Hummer EV doing 70 and a 50 and then in a school zone. Normal Austin driving behavior.
Okay.
What was her problem?
"12 seconds later. "20 minutes later.
The most impatient driver of this video. You have to pay attention when you turn. Can't just pick a random lane.
Yes, Pam and Angela are in there. Angela's eating a bowl of grapes. Pam is eating yogurt out of a Tupperware container, a banana, and some chips. I did a food breakdown. Nice. Angela says her breasts have...
Comment if you know where this is. I'm too good to stop for a bicyclist. Why is he not paying attention to the road? Playing with someone's life is not a good thing, mate. What are the odds? I would love to share the road with these bikers.
Just, high side, just on the power, just a little bit. Oh, wow.
And they got hit now. So who was that as they went through it? It was Mason Law, number 20, who hit the fallen rider.
Safety car is out, obviously, just at the moment.
What kind of driver is he?
Kawawa yung mga motor! Ang motor! Diyos ko po! Panginoon ko! Pinatay niya yung mga motor! Hala, dalawa! Ito naman! Diyos ko, Panginoon ko! Motor, ano ba naman ang driver to? Oo, yan siguro yung kanilang tumirit! Hindi tayo! Kawawa yung mga motor! Ang motor!
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.